Here's my Pachinko game again with software that's a little bit more mature. Right now it's running in attract mode. I've added a switch to the ball launcher so that when you're not pushing the ball launcher after a while, it goes into an attract mode. Here's one of the attract modes. It's all the LEDs are switching between all the possible colors of the red, blue, green. You can't actually pick all the colors of red, blue, green randomly because you wind up with a lot of whites. So what I've done is I randomly pick one of the colors RG, red, blue, or green, and I set that to full, and then I pick one of the other colors randomly and set that between 0 and 255. That allows me to stay on the outside of the color wheel and stay away from the white. Then I pick a second color after a little bit of time, and then I slowly merge between those. So it keeps randomly picking colors all around the outside of the color wheel. So if I push this ball launcher, I'll go back into the game, and you notice now these two lights are flashing, and then these lights are flashing different colors like it did before, but now this is all solid yellow down here. And when you press and launch a ball, then it goes to different color. I just won a jackpot, same as before. It flashes a lot of green colors. You can see each time I press the button, the bottom ones go out. And if I wait a little bit longer, it'll go back into an attract mode, where this light will come off. So every time this red light is out here, you're basically in an attract mode. Should be coming up here in a little bit. There's 3 different attract modes that I programmed in here. Here's another one. This one just basically takes all the lights except for this upper corner one and changes in between a 1 of 7 different colors. The colors are red, blue, green, orange, yellow, purple, and a light blue. And it just randomly picks them all. So I'll go into, pick it up again here, and we'll go into the final attract mode, which is the number 3 attract mode. It kind of runs them in sequence and then starts over again. It'll run this thing forever until you press the button again. Now what's kind of neat though is, for my next project, I may, since I'm reading every time you launch a ball and every time you win, I can actually do statistics that I can put up at the top. So here's the third attract mode. This one just wipes colors, one of the 7 colors across. Right now it's kind of going rotating around in a circle clockwise. Now it's moving from left to right with looks like a light blue color. And then it does different wipes in different colors. Now it's moving again left to right with the red color. And it just keeps doing this over and over again. See what the next one is. Looks like it's a yellow left to right color. And here's a bottom to top dark blue, and so on. Let's go take a look at the back and see what's back and behind it. In the back here we've got an Arduino Uno that's powered through the USB cable. I got a little 5-volt half amp power supply here that's got a switch on it that can switch the AC power, so you can turn it off and on if you want to, right here. The Arduino itself has 6 wires coming off of it. 3 of the wires are used to power the WS2812b LEDs. There's 12 of them on here. There's power ground and communication line to them. The first goes off to the corner LED that's mainly red all the time because the lens in front of it's red. But then it goes to the center LED, and then it goes to this block of wood that I placed on here that has the 6 holes. Then it goes to the jackpot reservoir, then down to the where the balls come out after a jackpot, ball launcher, and then the lower ball exit area. The other 3 lines are 5 volts and switch contacts for the 2 switches that I've added. There's a 3rd switch here, which when this top area is out of balls, the switch will come on. I'm not using this one. This doesn't happen very often. I am using this one down here, which this switch, when it rotates, you've got a jackpot, and I'm using this switch down here, which I added, which comes on when you launch the ball. And I could pull these things real fast, but you could wind up missing when they actually occur. So I've got a D flip-flop, dual D flip-flop on this board here, an HC74, and I've got these lines hooked up to the clock line. So the Arduino here will clear the latch, and then anytime these switches come on, it'll latch it, and then I can read the state of the latch to see if something has happened. Once I perform the function of reading the switch, then I clear it out, and it's ready again for the next time it happens. I've also added a few other things to the back here. I've added a funnel to the very top so I can put balls in here to fill up the top reservoir. And I've also added a funnel at the bottom here and drilled through my cabinet here to fill up a little bucket at the bottom here.